Hi, my name is George, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Jetterix, how it works, the benefits, and why it's creating so much attention right now. If you've ever tried cleaning your driveway, car, or patio, hoping for a quick result, but ended up wasting time scrubbing stubborn dirt, stay with me for a moment. Before we go any further, let me make one small, honest agreement with you. If at the end of this video you don't feel Jetterix is right for you, just say no. No pressure at all. But if you do like what you see and it makes sense for your routine and your budget, let's agree you'll take action today instead of putting it off. Fair deal? So, what is Jetterix and why are so many people adding it to their cleaning routine? Jetterix is a high-pressure hose attachment designed to improve your cleaning power, helping remove dirt, grime, and stains using just your regular garden hose. Its design combines practical features such as hydropower technology, adjustable spray modes, reinforced brass nozzle, leak-proof connector, and water-saving flow control. Instead of expensive pressure washers or exhausting scrubbing, Jetterix works by concentrating water flow into a stronger jet, making cleaning faster and more efficient. Each unit is built with durable materials and tested for performance and reliability, so you know exactly what you're using for your home cleaning tasks. Thousands of users have already made Jetterix part of their routine, and the feedback goes beyond convenience. Many report cleaning surfaces faster, with less effort, and achieving better results compared to a standard hose nozzle. Many report cleaning surfaces faster with less effort and achieving better results compared to a standard hose nozzle. Of course, every home and water pressure system is different. Some people notice immediate improvement in cleaning performance from the first use. But the best results usually come with consistent use, as you learn how to adjust the spray and apply it to different surfaces effectively. What surprised me the most wasn't just how surfaces looked. It was how much easier the whole process became. I could clean my car, patio, and outdoor areas without spending hours scrubbing or dealing with heavy equipment. There was no complicated setup, no excessive effort, just a simple upgrade that made everyday cleaning more practical. That's why Jetterix comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You're not asked to rely on promises. You simply test it and see the results for yourself. I made this video for one simple reason, to share something that genuinely made cleaning easier and more efficient, and because when a product becomes popular, low-quality imitations tend to appear, which is why it's important to be careful where you buy it. If you decide to try Jetterix, proper use matters. Attach it correctly, adjust the spray settings, and use it consistently for the best results. Every unit is produced with quality control standards and tested to ensure durability and performance. Your routine is personal, but tools that make everyday tasks easier instead of more complicated are the ones that truly make a difference. That's why so many people are choosing to keep Jetterix as part of their cleaning routine. If this resonates with you, the official link is right below this video in the description and the first pinned comment. Take this step for yourself and make your cleaning routine faster, easier, and more efficient starting today.